Hello, everyone! Let's explore some handy TUKAcad shortcuts. Today, we'll see how to perform a batch operation. When using a batch operation, certain preferences must be set prior to the operation. For example, to plot, all styles need to be saved in a plotting layout. Export preferences or settings must be set. For Excel reports, set the desired options required in the report, and so on. Batch operations do not require you to open the styles. Simply browse to where the styles are located. Select the files for the batch operation and right-click. Select the TUKAdesign option. To create a pattern card, select Report and Pattern Card. The pattern cards are created in the same folder. Using the preset preferences. To plot, select the styles. They must be saved in a plotting layout. Right-click, select the TUKAdesign option, choose Plot, and select the plotter or device. The styles are plotted and created as PDF files. To export to DXF, select the styles, right-click, choose the TUKAdesign option, select Export, and choose the desired DXF format. The files are saved in the same folder. Batch importing multiple DXF files. If you receive multiple DXF files and need to import them, you can use Batch Import. Click the Windows Start button. Open the TUKAcad folder. Select the eImport D option. Browse to the DXF file location by clicking the three-dot button. You can copy the address from File Explorer and paste it into the Import dialog. Select all the DXF files. Select the import format and click OK. To bring them in as a box, hold the Control key while clicking OK. The DXF files are converted into TUKAdesign files. Batch operation for markers. Select the marker files. Right-click and select the TUKAmark option. Select Batch Operation. If you do not have the option for batch operation, please contact your local TUKATech representative or email tukasupport@tukatech.com.